Hi guys, so we're playing in the new obviously we're playing in the reactor. I don't know what this dog can see in.
You are going to hurt yourself. Stop.
Bro, be
Stop.
careful, be careful.
You are reaching family safe road.
Oh no!
Run!
I'm running.
Stop.
I'm running.
Why are you running? Stop.
Bro, come on, I'm good.
Running, stop. You are going to hurt yourself. I'm your friend.
Bro, what
Guys,
are you
did you just see me? I just got flung.
Stop.
Bro, I just got flung.
right there?
I'm inside the big room, I just got sent flying. Sure would be nice if these dogs are actually smart. If these dogs could hear our voice, we would be doomed by now.
I know.
Oh, there's something secret down there.
No, it's the eyeballs. It's the eyeballs.
Yeah, but look, low in the light down there, there's something secret inside, but we can't get it. Otherwise we die.
Bro, we need to go through the door.
No, we don't go through there.
So what happened? What did we do?
I know where to go, we just went the wrong way. We gotta go inside of you. I'm staying on the ceiling.
Bro,
though.
wait on me.
Come up on the ceiling so you don't get caught by them. What's that door over there?
Okay, bro, where do
We gotta go back through the door we just got sent.
Bro,
we just came
meet
through.
up on the roof. Meet up on the roof.
And I'm on the roof right now. See, we gotta go through there.
Where do we go now? Where do we go now?
We gotta go through there. But come over to me first. Come over.
Alright.
One for you. Eat that one.
Bro,
You should be low.
Did you
You
take
should be low.
damage?
Yeah, I took damage.
Oh, there we go.
We got to go through this door.
Okay. Nope. No, get on the roof. Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Get on
Stop.
the roof. Get on.
Stop. Why are you running? Stop.
Bro, where are you?
Stop. Let me
I'm
go.
on the ceiling in the room.
Stop.
Bah!
Stop. You are going to hurt
Hey,
yourself.
which door do we go
Stop.
through?
I don't know, but
Stop.
he's gonna kill me.
Stop. Let me help you. Stop.
Is it that door? Bro,
Stop.
is it this door?
That door over there.
Stop.
What door?
But there's another one.
Stop.
Bro, where are you?
I'm inside the room. I know where the big cold wheel is. I'm going to go get it.
What?
Right, I can't put it in my bag.
Bro, do you have more MREs? Do you have more MREs?
Yes, but there's a robot guard in my section.
Okay, because I'm about to die. Where are you, bro? Come back into the room.
I can't. There's a robot guard in the area.
Where are you?
I'm running around. Trying to find where I'm meant to go with this giant cogwheel. Did you just die?
No.
Why am I hearing so much explosions?
Bro, where are you?
I hear you. I'm in this room. If you can see my grappler.
I can't see you, bro. Where are you?
I got a giant cogwheel.
You have a giant valve?
Yeah.
Alright, we need to make our way back to the lobby. That's where the orange valve goes.
How do we
That's
get
the
back
whole reason
there?
we're here. Bro. Come on.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
I know where it goes. We need to make our way back to the room with the buttons.
Stop. Stop.
Now go.
Stop.
Run, boy. Through. No, shit.
What the heck?
We're lost.
Oh, he's hitting me. Bro, I don't like him. I hate him.
Go on the ceiling. Go on the walls. Use the walls.
We need to make our way back to the lobby, bro.
I know. So I'm doing.
Bro, he's not following us in here.
Where do we go now?
Bro!
Where are you?
We need to...
I'm in the lobby. I'm in the lobby area.
But I don't know how to get back.
I'm in there. I'm in. I've just opened the door. Just kill yourself to respawn. Why not? I'm gonna collect some of these.
No, I got this. I got this.
Right, I'm waiting. I'll wait inside for you. Damn. Whee! Whee!
Bro, I need a grappler.
Where's your grappler going?
It's gone because you said the
Use a teleportation gun.
I don't have any more.
Shoot, I'm gonna kill myself and come back to you. I'm running for it. I'm going for it. I'm running for it. Actually, I'm not gonna kill myself. I'm coming back up to you normally. Only because I got the tape for this level now.
Bro, I thought you had the orange valve. Where'd you?
I put it in.
Okay, come get me. Bro.
I'm coming back. Yes, I know system is offline.
Hey, bro, do you have a snail?
Yes, I have a snail. Why?
Cause I just lost mine. And you?
You can have mine. I don't really care.
But can you get it more than once, or can you only get it once?
You can only get it once.
Oh. Are you sure I can have yours?
Yeah, sure. Reactor core.
You're the nicest person ever. Thanks so much, bro.
No problem. Come on. Go in there.
Huh?
Look at my tape in. There we go. Reactor core room.
I wanna bring a snail so we can make a jiggly.
Yeah, I got one for you. Well, I'm pretty sure I did. Nope.
Bro, I need
My snail's gone. My snail's gone.
Your snail's gone.
Oh. My grappler just went flying through.
Can I have a grappler?
Right, I have to go collect the next tape. I'm just trying to collect the 2 more tapes quick.
Bro, wait.
No, wait, I have to go off now. So I'll see you later, because I have to go work on a game with one of my friends. So I'll meet up in this code whenever I'm online, okay?
Okay.
Right, bye guys, because it's really glitchy.